Alrighty, this is for all you MacBook users in our class. Just an example of how it works for certificates and how to access this on your MacBook because Macs are stupid. So let's say you're trying to access this website link and it's going to give you this message. And it's always going to do that to you on majority of things you do. You're just going to click on Advanced. And if it doesn't do that for you, then you go to Site Permissions. And you make sure everything says allow on it, especially secure content. I already did that, so you just click on keep going anyways, and most likely 10 out of 10. Oh shit, it worked. Never mind. If it didn't work though, you would go to certificates, which says right here, and it would tell you that it is not trusted. So that means your laptop is not going to trust this website because it's sketchy for it. So you're just going to click on details. See, you click on details, you're going to scroll down, and it's going to give you the URI. You're going to click on the URI, and it's going to download it for you, and you just got to open it up. Once you open it up, this should pop open, which is your keychain access. And once you have your keychain access open, go to your certificate that says not trusted. You're going to click on it. You're going to click on trust. Always trust. And once you trust it, it should work. And that's all you got to do for just about almost any situation you run into. Just get the hang of using keychain access and accepting on trusting every single Department of Defense certificate, and you'll be fine.